security situation in Poonch today. He also met those who were injured in the recent round of shelling coming in from Pakistan. A day earlier, the DGP had assessed security preparedness in Rajouri. So, Tejshri, coming back to you, obviously this ties into what you were saying as to how the forces, especially aware of the intense scrutiny and the threat in the valley from various factors, whether it be infiltrated terrorists, whether it be cross-border shelling, are now taking every step to ensure that civilians in Jammu and Kashmir are safe.
Well, absolutely. Let me tell you that Rajouri, Poonch, Naushera, these all three were one of the most sensitive areas when there was cross-border firing and cowardly attacks that were carried out by the side of Pakistan after Operation Sindhu. Remember that from 5 o'clock there was heavy shelling that took place there in Poonch, and in fact we reported from Poonch as well. In fact, 16 civilians were killed in that cowardly attack. Several were injured. They were hospitalized, and that's what in fact now the security officials have been doing. They're monitoring the situation 24/7. They're also meeting the injured. They're also meeting the family members of the victims and also keeping a watch so as to what's happening over there in Poonch, Naushera and Rajouri. And just now we got pictures of DGP who is visiting Poonch. Poonch, as I mentioned, has been a highly critical zone because, Poonch, from where we reported, that is in the low belt. So it is very, easy for the enemy to target at the low belt because there Pakistan gets an upper hand to keep a watch where the civilian areas are, and Pakistan deliberately targeted the civilian areas when it comes for such kind of cowardly attacks. We saw that how he used mortars and artilleries to in fact damage the properties that belongs to civilians, and that particular area from where we are reported and where in fact DGP is also visiting right now, it has no army camp or army base near it. So that clearly in fact suggests shows that Pakistan, in a desperate move after Operation Sindoor, was targeting the civilians, was targeting Gurudwara as well, because Gurudwara is also located there in Poonch as well. Temples were also targeted, which in fact reported from both the places and showed that how in fact such kind of attack in that place has never taken ever after the year 1947. People in fact also told that they have also witnessed the war of 1965, war of 1971 during the partition. After the partition in fact of 1947, they have never seen such kind of aggression or cowardly attack from the side of Pakistan, and that's why Poonch, Rajouri, such kind of areas become very much important. Indeed. And that's why in fact the DGP is visiting all such areas, meeting the injured, meeting the victims as well, meeting the family members of.
Stay on with us. More good news.